Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at some of the key features of the Zebronics Zeb Warrior 4 2.0 speakers. The Zeb Warrior 4 is a pair of 2.0 speakers that comes with a USB-A jack and a 3.5mm AUX jack as well. This pair of speakers is ideal for connecting with desktops, laptops and even gaming consoles. These are 10-watt speakers. Each speaker has a 5-watt audio driver. The speakers also comes with RGB LED lights with 5 modes that can be controlled via a switch. The switch comes with a volume rocker as well. And those are some of the key features of the Zebronics Zeb Warrior 4 2.0 speakers. Thank you for watching.